Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ほうれん草と油揚げのお味噌汁。It's miso soup with spinach and deep fried tofu. Miso soup at restaurant is sometimes very sad. Just a little bit of ingredients floating in the soup. But if you make it at home, you can load it with a lot of ingredients. So it's healthier and tastier. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this miso soup. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 200 grams of spinach. 油揚げ deep fried tofu. There are 10, but I'm using just 1. 4 tablespoons of miso paste and 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. Let's prepare the spinach first. Unlike baby spinach, this type of spinach is sometimes harsh or bitter because of the acid it contains. So it's better to pre-cook first and then add to the soup. When I pre-cook spinach, I do 2 to 3 bags all at once. Use some for today and keep the rest in freezer so that I don't have to pre-cook it every time I need. So today, I'm doing 2 bags. While you prepare plenty of boiling water, let's cut the spinach. I washed it already. Cut the bottom off. And let's just cut it into 2 inches or so. And keep the stalks and leafy part apart. So stalks here and the leafy part here. Boiling water is now ready. So let's cook the spinach. You're cooking it just for a very short time. So you're not really cooking it, you're just blanching it. And after cooking it for a short time, you're going to drain right away. So prepare strainer in the sink. Stalks first and then leafy part. Push it in. Then leafy part. Push it in. Once it's wilted, drain it right away. Releasing cold water. And rinse to remove the harshness. Then drain. As I said, I'm going to freeze half of the spinach, so prepare freezer bag. Take some spinach and squeeze it really well to remove all the excess moisture. No mercy. Then into the freezer bag as you separate them. Set it halfway. Push out the air as much as you can. Then set it tight. And keep this in the freezer. This will save you in the future. I'm using the other half of the spinach today, so let's squeeze and put it in a bowl. And aburaage, deep fried tofu. Today, I'm just using 1 out of 10 here, but I'm cutting them all and freeze. Prepare some paper towel and rolling pin. Place some aburaage. Another paper towel on top and roll it out. By doing this, you can remove excess oil. One is for today. So let's cut it into half long way. Then slices. And let's put it in the same bowl with the spinach. And the rest is to freeze. So let's cut it in the same way and keep it in the freezer bag. Set it halfway. Push out the air. Seal it tight. Let's keep it in the freezer. This will also save you in the future. 4 cups of water and hondashi instant Japanese soup stock into the pot. And just heat it up. The broth is hot now, so let's add the spinach and aburaage, deep fried tofu. And just heat it up. Now it's hot again, so it's time to add the miso paste. I'm using this miso strainer. By using miso strainer, you can make sure you don't have chunks of miso in your soup bowl. If you don't have miso strainer, you can use small spider or small tea strainer. So miso in the strainer, dunk it and push it out. And miso is all dissolved. Right after you add the miso, turn the heat off and it's done. Let's serve in the soup bowl. And ほうれん草と油揚げのお味噌汁 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's have some soup first. You can sip the soup straight from the bowl. So flavorful. Let's have some ingredients. It's really comforting, and I feel like I'm eating the health itself. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. ほうれん草と油揚げのお味噌汁 goes here and plain rice here. Anything you like for the other dishes, but I think I want to have 鶏と卵のさっぱり煮 for the main, かぼちゃの煮物 for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!